Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ruth Getting Things Done. In this video, you will see how I turn two long pieces of wood into two beautiful art easels. I bought the wood from Home Depot for $6.75. Here, I am measuring the wood, two 27 inches, one 25 inches, and one 17 inches. Before using the circular saw, I am putting on my safety glasses so the sawdust doesn't get into my eyes. I am labeling the wood pieces so that I can assemble them in the correct order. Now, I am cutting the wood dowel into two 3-inch pieces. Now, I am drilling a 3/8 hole on two 27 inches and one 25-inch wood. The dowel will go into these holes. Here, I am using my hammer to drive the dowel through the 3 wood pieces. Hit a like, y'all. It's free and don't cost you anything. Now I am drilling a 7/32 hole for the strings. I am drilling the 17-inch wood on the two 27-inch wood. This will hold the canvas upright while painting. Please do not forget this part. The strings are extremely important because it supports the back leg of the easel while painting. Now, time to paint. You already know that I have to have one in pink. What you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Here, I am testing the art easel and it works great. I saved so much money building my own. Amazon was asking $17 for only one, and I paid only $6.75 for the wood and built two of my own. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more DIY wood projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.